These common motherfuckers. Left my door open, forgot to lock it up last night. I know who it is. Didn't steal anything, but got in my car. Look at this motherfucker. Look at the time, 8:50. This motherfucker was at my car, inside. Here comes Becky, leaving to go somewhere, and that motherfucker's in my car. And she didn't know anything about it. But I know who it is. Look at this shit. Two motherfuckers, one sitting here watching the other one's back.
Relax, guys. I've got this.
Wow, Pizza Steve is so awesome.
Price check for canned diapers. Extra large canned diapers. Price check for pizza face. Attention all shoppers.
Gotta fast forward it, because he was in my car for a very long time. And look, Becky's just now looking around her car, and that son of a bitch is still in my car. He didn't see her and she didn't see him. He's opening up the door, looking around, and he knew I wasn't home last night. Look at him. Gets out and walks on away, and she never even seen him. Fucking cocksucker. You wait till I get a hold of you.